Hey guys, landscape installs, landscape maintenance are one of the many services we provide, and it's kind of broken up like this. Landscape installations could be for a new construction home that you might be planning to build or currently under construction. A landscape could be new construction to us is a house that's already been built, but they're just kind of getting around to putting a landscape in. And so we can provide that service. The landscape maintenance part of it is an existing landscape, whether it was installed by TenderCare or not installed by TenderCare, we can provide that maintenance plan to keep it luscious, keep it nice and colorful and pretty and growing right, and keep all the weeds out, because that's your number one problem is your weeds. Landscape installs are done pretty much in this way. We'll come in there, create all your rock headers against your home. You want to have that separation for termite control. Then we come in there and we have the edging out for the beds. We come in there and install the bed material, which is going to be raised beds at about 15 inches or so. And then we're going to come in there and put in all the plants. The plant selection is provided by TenderCare Lawn Service and worked out with the client, so we know what it's going to be required, what the customer likes, and we'll break down all of those and put in that selection. And then we come in there and top dress with mulch. And if you're looking to have a combination piece of the lawn maintenance and the landscape maintenance done together, we do provide that service where you can have a package deal. A key point that we want to point out for landscape maintenance, either it was installed by TenderCare or not installed by TenderCare, we take on both clients. We want to make sure that you know that we're here to support you. If you're looking to get pricing from TenderCare Lawn Service on landscape installations, call our office, contact us. We have multiple ways that we can give you a design. We have sketch options, which are hand drawings. We have computer generated drawings, and we also have what we do, which is a 3D drawing, where we take a picture of your home and do the design and the layout based on your house, which is a fingerprint, which enables you, the client, the capability to see what it's going to look like. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Just remember to check out our Facebook page at TenderCare Lawn Service. Give us a thumbs up so you can stay current with all of our videos and educational type material that we want to provide to you. Also, take a look at our website at tendercarelawnservice.com. And just remember, we shake the hand, we look you in the eye, and we want to do business with you.